in that fucking motherhead. Nice parking job, lady. What the hell was going on? Oh. Oops. Thank you. Jesus Christ. Stop sign van. Turn signal CRV. Get the fuck away from you, you turd. Stop sign. Audi. And yep. You know what just happened, right? And stop sign CRV. Go! Jesus H. Christ! Go! 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 Mother of Christ! This moron. Yes, I just did that. Yes, I just did. Watch her jump the queue now. Can we go? Can this fucking lane go? Can we go? Can we go? She's not jumping the queue, but I mean, she's definitely lost. Alright, get off my ass! Garbage. Oh, come on, Grandpa. Put down the phone behind me, will you? Jesus Christ. Did he stop? I don't think he stopped. He definitely didn't stop. Yeah, he didn't stop again. No, yeah. Stop sign. Stop sign. And we got a timeout. Stop before you turn. That was sort of a stop before he turned. And thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so fucking much. And the stop sign, Mr. Van. Field sign, whatever. Oh, nice. Get him off to drive that far and take a left. Asshole! Stop signs mean nothing, huh? Stop sign? Nice. Nice. That was close. Okay. How many fucking times are you gonna drive around the parking lot, lady? That was the red light. It's a red light. It's a red light. It's a red light. Okay. So I don't think he stopped. Definitely. Where's the stop sign gone? The frig. Oh, there it is. Okay. Stop. So he stopped there. He didn't stop, and he didn't stop, and I don't know what the hell the city and the Hyundai's doing. Well, there you go. Over there, stupid. Is doing. Well, there you go. Over there, stupid. Oh my God. Excuse me. Pick a lane, dummy. Pick one lane and stay in it. Go ahead, run the red. I think he just ran the red. I think they both may have. What the fuck? Somebody went nuts at AutoZone, huh? Just... Use the crosswalks, you moron. That Honda is not stopping at the stop sign. Correct. Oh, is that an exit dive? I think the Jeep just, yes, the Jeep just made an exit dive. And whoa, hello. That was an exit dive too. Nice cutoff back there. You're not gonna wait, yeah. Okay. Douchebag Prius, I know that's redundant. I sense an awful fail coming. And yeah, that was a little bit too close. Thank you. Pass fail. I smell pass fail. Anybody else smell pass fail? It smells like pass fail. Yep. Fresh baked pass fail just for you. Did they roll the stop sign? Oh, that one rolled the stop sign. Is that legal? Red light runner. Thanks. Yeah. Well, those red light runs. It's a right on red run. passenger. Yeah. Because Prius. No turn on red. No turn on red. Stop before you turn. Thanks. Let's fuck her up. Look at all those stop signs. Look at all of them. And we're 10 not there. Roll the second. Stop. That wasn't a stop either, was it? I don't know. Yeah, you ignored that. You're going to ignore that one too. Ready? Yep. Right. Yep. Okay. Stop here. And then we go here, and you're going to roll behind me, aren't you? No. Alright, well, you shouldn't have gone because there's a bunch of cars coming, and you're going to block the intersection. And, minivan, stop. Stop, stop, stop. Stoppity stop. Yeah, thank you. And, that too, yeah. Yeah, you did. Okay. And rolling, 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 rolling on. Yeah, we're just rolling on. Did he stop? He stopped, okay. What the hell are you doing? That was a roll. That was a roll, too.